Who said investing is complicated? With the UTI Mutual Fund app, you can complete your transactions with ease. You can start your investment journey by creating a folio. Creating a folio is not a difficult task. Start by clicking on the center button and select either lump sum or SIP. Select Self to invest for yourself or Minor to invest for your children. Verify your personal details and click on Generate OTP. Enter the OTP sent to your email ID and mobile number present in your KYC. Enter your bank details and validate. In case validation fails, you can upload the cancelled check and then you can add nominee details and click on Proceed. Now you can add your investment details. Select scheme name, plan, option and enter the amount you wish to invest. If you are being advised by a distributor, change to regular plan and enter ARN details. Once your investment details are entered, you can then pay using your preferred payment options. You can pay through UPI, net banking, NEFT or RTGS or one-time bank mandate. Enter your payment details and click the checkbox agreeing to the terms and conditions to proceed with the payment. On successful transaction, your folio will be created and transaction request will be submitted. Now, for investing more in the future, you can use the same folio. The UTI Mutual Fund app is available on both Play Store and App Store. Download the app today. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.